Alright, so here we go, another video here at Smartwatch Mobile Detailing. As you can see, we have a interior exterior cleaning for a Jeep. So this particular vehicle, the customer spilled collard greens in her back passenger seat, and we had to wash it and pretty much shampoo it. Our process always starts with a wash and a vacuum. We always make sure we get the top of the vehicle and clean the windows as we do our outside cleaning. And as we move forward, you're going to see that this is the area that we had the liquids pretty much sit there. It was super wet, so we had to just go over it for a couple minutes. And here's our outcome. The outside of the vehicle, tire shine, rims clean and washed and dried. We have our personal tire shine, which makes sure the tires are very shined up. And as we go through the inside of the vehicle, you see that we did a nice wipe down on our interior, our plastic, middle console, and also the back as well, door jambs. And you will see the difference between our after and our inside and our outside. Thank you.